Hello guys, I just want to share with you some experience about Ford radios like this one. If you want to bench test such a unit and after entering the code this is the actual code for this radio, and when happens this, after entering the code the radio restart and asking again for the code. The code is right, I know. I run into this problem first here, and I was not able to find what's the problem, because everything is right. Here is the pinout for this radio, and as you can see, on pin 1 we have battery positive permanent, pin 2 is switched battery positive, and pin 13 is ground. This should be enough to test this radio on bench, but no. After few research and spending much time, I found on the internet this little information here. Pin 17 should be tied to ground. This radio needs an extra ground, which is not labeled on the official pinout. Pin 17, sorry, you can see where it is, and pin 17 on the pinout is not connected, but it must be connected to ground. I have doing this already. This is my extra ground here, pin 17, and now it works. As you can see, the same code. It's turning on. Maybe this help you later, and I hope I can save some time from you with this information if you don't already know. Okay, that's all. Bye bye.